I got my start in UAS in the military. When I was getting out, I knew I wanted to apply that to my kind of civilian career. K-State was one of very few that had full bachelor's degree programs for unmanned aircraft.
K-State Salina excels in operational excellence through the hands-on flight training that they get. The thing that sets K-State Salina's uncrewed aircraft systems apart is the specialized focus areas that we have for the degree program. Advanced air mobility, data analytics, and composites repair.
We actually worked at Kelsey Jam, and we went and flew our aircraft in support of their security that they've got there. We also did the Kansas State Fair. We incorporated ourselves into their security program and helped them get kind of eyes on certain areas.
So we have a 96% placement rate. There's a diverse variety of applications for this technology, going into utility infrastructure, public safety, research, gas line inspections. So when they go out to industry, they are a top-of-the-line student, ready for that employer to enter into the field.